Hey Googs, here are step-by-step instructions to sign up for on-campus housing. Log in to Access UH. Click on the My Housing portal. Select the academic year or term you would like to apply for. Step 1 of the process is to complete the application. You will enter your profile information, which includes your name and PeopleSoft ID. Next, you will agree to receive housing updates through the contact method provided. Be sure to check the box if you have any ADA housing accommodations. You will then proceed to complete the emergency and missing person contact information. Be sure to read and check all acknowledgements. Next, you may want to set up your housing PIN code. The housing PIN code is used by you and your roommate when self-assigning into a bed space. Using the PIN code to be matched with a roommate is optional. If you don't have a roommate in mind, you will receive an email with the link to RoomSync after you have completed your application and signed your residence hall service agreement. If you have questions about being paired with a roommate of your choice, contact the housing office. You are now ready to read and review your residence hall service agreement. You will need to electronically agree to the terms by entering your PeopleSoft ID and a co-signature email. You may now agree and submit your application. Lastly, you will click on the acknowledgements confirming that you understand the cancellation fee deadlines and submit your processing fee. Now that your application has been successfully submitted, you will receive an email confirmation and later a room assignment. Thank you for choosing to live with us.